I think Eric's here. Eric?
Oh shit, Jay.
Yo, what's up, bro?
What's up, man? Touchdown in Tokyo?
Yeah. What you got? Is this your crib?
Yeah, it's copped it, bro.
All right, give us a tour. Give us a tour.
Yeah, no, I'm just kidding. So we're in Shinjuku. We're in Tokyo right now. We got this super cool crib, 3 stories. I'm gonna show you guys a little house tour. Yeah, coming here. This is where Darren and Jamie's staying. This is the first floor, two beds. We got the 2 bathrooms, like dorm style right here. This one's just toilet. In Japanese houses, I feel like this is pretty rare to have such a big house, but the staircases are always so narrow. And it has, this one's pretty big because like we don't have to duck when we get around. All the other places we stayed, always had to like duck. I've always hit my head on everything, so. Oh, this is me and Ethan's room. We're staying on tatami style. We got the Miffy pillows, pretty cool.
Tap in and tap in.
And then we have our own bathroom, which is pretty nice, honestly. Going up to the 3rd floor, this is Devin, DeVeezy sleeping in
The
this
demon's
right
sleeping
here.
right here because, you know, they come out at night. You know
Right.
what I
We
mean?
got the goon shower right here, post goon shower. This is Griffin's room right here. He got the nicest room. He's the one that booked it and organized it all, so
looks all
he gets the king room.
It looks kind of messed up already.
You think there's been action in here?
This is nice, Eric.
Yeah, super calm.
Oh, look, our neighbors.
See a little spot. We can see all of our neighbors from here. So. All right, guys, it is a morning. We have our passports and international driver's permits, so I think you guys know what's about to happen. Yo, what is going on, guys? We actually have a sponsor for today's video, and that sponsor is Redtiger. I've used many of their dash cams before. Today, they have sent me their F17 Plus. Before, they sent me the 3-channel dash cam. This is their 4-channel dash cam. So it has a front-facing camera, a cabin-facing camera, rear-facing camera, and a cabin-facing camera from the rear. Super cool. The main lens has a Sony Starvis 2 image sensor, and all 4 cameras are equipped with IR light, so you have full vision at nighttime. The F17 Plus has advanced night vision, touchscreen function plus built-in software features, 5.8G Wi-Fi that connects to the Redtiger app, and parking monitoring that features collision detection mode, time-lapse recording, and low voltage protection. Like I mentioned earlier, this is a 4-channel dash cam, so it features a rear cabin camera that records the driver and passengers driving and movements. Once again, thank you so much to Redtiger for sponsoring this video. The F17 Plus is such a good bang for your buck. Another feature that I really like about this camera is that you can actually adjust the recording resolution. Let's say you don't want like full scale 2.7K in the front. You could scale it down to 1080p so you don't clog up the memory card because you are recording from 4 different angles. Another really cool feature is that you can download the Redtiger app and download all the footage directly to your iPhone without even having to take out the SD card. I know this is supposed to be for like insurance purposes, but I'm not gonna lie, as a content creator, like this is like a super nifty feature. So there's so much fraud, accidents, people not paying attention. I would argue that having a dash cam in your car is necessary, especially if you're a car enthusiast. Yeah, if you guys wanna get one for yourself, I'll put the link in the description down below. And yeah, once again, thank you so much to Redtiger for sponsoring this video. Now back to the video. All right, guys, guess what car we're in? Should be pretty obvious. I mean, it's low-key stamped on the steering wheel, but yeah, we got ourselves a V. I think this is a VA. Correct me if I'm wrong, all the Subaru boys, but this is a 2020 WRX STI.
Hopefully our head gasket will last today.
What's that?
Lame mode.
Okay.
Slightly less lame mode. Race mode.
Dude, this is actually really cool. I'm not gonna lie, my first impressions of this car, actually pretty, I've never driven a new Subaru before, and like,
Look, you can set it all the way to lock. See on the screen up there?
yeah.
So it's auto there, auto off, and you can change it all the way to locking. Oh. It's probably like rally.
Whoa!
That
was just me, my bad.
You.
We're gonna see if it's got some beats in it.
Oh, jeez. It actually kind of does.
It kind of moves.
To be fair, on these kind of roads, anything has beans.
That's true on the, yeah. But like compared to the GR86 that we rented, this one's got way more torque. Probably because it has a turbo and it also has 0.5 more liters, but.
What just happened?
Huh?
What'd you just do?
Oh, nothing.
When we were at this light in front with like a whole bunch of people behind us and stuff?
With everyone watching?
Yeah.
I definitely didn't stall.
No?
That's what I...
Well, I mean, it's the first time you've driven a manual with your left hand.
Pretty peppy.
I mean, ABS works, that's good.
ABS does work. Not that we were going that speed to activate it, but...
Dude, that made like 18 pounds.
Dude, that was pretty fast. Not a bad car.
Little sandwich.
What the?
Oh, it feels really bad.
I think the speakers are blown. Oh! Ooh! Ooh! Almost getting mad.
You got mad at me. This one, right?
He's a gangster.
Damn. All right, we have made it. KS coils. Okay. 370Z Nismo exhaust. You got hella head here. Damn, hella transmission. Dude, that could be you. You could be whipping that thing.
Pick this up. 130.
130. S2000 mirrors. MR2 seat. Pretty good condition. Recaro. $500. Ride Vios 3. 750. I'm pretty sure HKS GT2. I'm pretty sure this is for an SR. I think it's a T28. These are Nismo turbos. I'm not sure what car it's for. Oh, it's adorable. So little. So many coilovers. Ooh. All right, light 5 bands for the Mugen S2000 seats. Okay, $700. I don't know about you guys, people hate the reclinable brides. People hate how they look. They're like, fixed back is best. Obviously, like, this looks really good, but I don't know, like it doesn't look bad, and it's just so much more comfortable to get into. Damn, dude, why is this one so taxed? Oh, Alcantara, that's why. Hella nice ass seat. RSG. Yo, people are gonna hate me for this, but this is like actually my favorite seat. Tell me if I'm wrong. Good price, applicable to most cars, and it's just comfortable. Alright guys, we're now on the 3rd floor. RX-7 FD bumper, RX-8 bumper, ZN6, 8.6 rear bumper, another S15 bumper. Now walking into the wheel section, so I guess they keep their wheels separate. Yo, rich. What do we got? Oh, are these the new ones?
No, these are
No, these are the old ones. Yeah, these are the old ones. Oh, the new gen ones. They look the same though. More Volks. All right, guys, we just found some work center caps. You found these?
What is that, like 20 bucks?
That's like 30 bucks, bro. Yeah, 30 bucks. I actually need these center caps. Oh, shit. Gotta hit a quick lick on the up garage. Now we're going to the next location. All right, guys, we're at the next spot. We just parked up next to the Boy. A way sicker version of our car.
has the E6 torque thing though.
Dude, think we could drive it? It's rear engine? It's a lot of people, man.
You should drift through here.
Should I just drift and just smack everyone? On some sideshow shit? Yo, everyone in the car, hey, everyone get out and start like waving and shit like that. Like at a sideshow. We need a flag. We need an American flag and just hang out the window.
So we're about to start a sideshow at the Shibuya crossing.
Alright guys, we're currently walking the streets of, I don't even know where we are, Shinonome. We're going to 8-Pit AutoBacs. I don't know how to pronounce that, but yeah, we're gonna go find some car parts, look at some cool car merch, and hopefully not spend too much money.
Really covers.
Ooh, is that a Ferrari? Holy shit.
That's a Honda Civic.
Oh! Skyline? Oh! Yo, I hella want one of those. What? There's a Ferrari?
Yeah, just
Really?
through your camera shot.
Oh shit, I didn't even notice a Ferrari, I'm not gonna lie. That just shows what kind of people we are. Ferrari casually passed by, completely ignore it for the Honda Civic. We got the whole gang rolling up. Oh! Oh my god. No! That is like maximum aura here in Japan. One day. Oh my god. There are so...
Oh, I lied, 34.
34?
34, and an FD in the back.
Oh my god. Oh. Oh, BMW. Ooh. Damn, that sounds hella good. That sounds hella... Oh, wait. Bruh. Dude, yeah, there's gotta be like a skyline meter or
Just saw,
something.
like 15 in a row.
Damn. Bro, what is going on? Holy. Definitely some sort of like meat, bro. This is crazy. Holy shit. Damn, oh my god, the Mega La Boo Boo.
Jack Daniels.
The Jack Daniels on the dash. Full Z-Tune kit on the V-Spec tuner. Just a light. Very, very expensive car. Damn, oh, someone's in there. Ooh, downpipe tune. Ooh, another, damn, so many 34s here, man. That is crazy. Damn. Ooh, K-car.
Upstairs.
Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, we're up here at the second floor now. Ooh. There's a Hawkeye. I think there's a 06, 05, no, 06, 07 STI. Oh my god, wide body Evo. Ooh. And Skyline. Oh, RB26. Wait.
Single turbo?
Wait.
It's low mount single turbo. Oh, it's RB25.
It is?
Yeah, look. Has the
Oh, it's a 25?
and the fact that it's single turbo low mount.
Huh. That shit's clean. Damn. We got hella engines here. Whoa. Guys, I'm not gonna lie. You know, another road. Oh, this from Griffin's car. This from the ND. Oh, RB26. I know this one because I've blown it up twice. A Mine's complete engine. Dude, a real one of these is like $40,000. They're so, just for the engine. It's my uncle. That's Unky right there. Miku?
Miku Racing.
Oh, that's tough.
This might just get me to wear hats.
Yeah, you never worn a hat in your life.
I don't own a hat.
What are you getting?
Blitz oil cap and a Ray Evangelion.
Get a little Gretty bag. In another life. Oh, Jamie, you buying two of these?
We got Goon case.
Hey, can I get one?
By side. Oh yeah, absolutely.
Oh, thank you, bro. Dude, I'm gonna have to PPF this, bro, before I use it. Oh, my God. The top secret G. Oh, it's a Varus kit. Never mind. Damn. All right, guys, we're heading out now. Yo, what is going on, guys? You made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much. I'm sorry I've been on a hiatus. I just came back from a 2-week trip from Japan with all my friends. But yeah, I am back home in America now, and it's about to be comeback season. The FD's off at paint. I'm also purchasing a car later this week, as well as selling my R32 this Friday. As soon as the R32 is gone, gonna be on the search for another car. 2 of them aren't even Japanese, so to give you guys a little bit of a hint of what I'm looking at, I feel like my channel's been all JDM cars, and while I do love JDM cars, I wanna focus on my one JDM car, my RX-7, and expand, you know, experiment, expand with other manufacturers. I think that there's a lot of great cars out there. You know, Japanese cars are great, they're awesome, I love them. But I think that other countries make some pretty good cars as well. And I think that other parts of the country and also other countries, you know, people are open to other manufacturers. So yeah, with that being said, thanks for sticking to the end of the video, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.